guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Miss Allison here. We are going to take a look at your work for the week. I know there was a little bit of confusion on synchronous, asynchronous, what's that look like? So first thing you need to do is go to Schoology and then we'll look together and see what you're working on either with me or without me during this week for English class. So if you look at Schoology, here we go. Yours will look a little bit different than mine. You do not have the entire English 8 folder. You don't need that. I will give what you need from that, so don't worry about that, okay? But you can see here a couple of features I want to point out in Schoology. When you click on English, we can notice that we have the books there, so that helps you remember we're English class. You can see a couple different assignments coming up, okay? So the first one says, synchronous work, complete only with Miss Allison, right? That's with me. So when you are in that synchronous session, I'm going to guide you to go there at one point. You don't need to do that unless you are like specifically with me in that synchronous session. Okay, so make sure guys you're reading these titles. It is so important. Otherwise it's going to be really confusing about what you need to do. Okay, then you can see it has asynchronous work day 1. You will have 3 days this week that you are doing asynchronous work and 1 with synchronous work. So I didn't put the day on there, like for instance, I didn't say Tuesday or Wednesday because you might be doing synchronous work and asynchronous work differently than your classmates if we think back to that schedule we went over together. So what I need from you is to keep track of the 3 days that you are doing asynchronous work. So if you're not with me, you would go boom to day 1, okay? And then let's say we meet tomorrow, then you would do synchronous, and then you'd go back to the asynchronous work and look for day 2 and day 3. Total work this week, you will have 1 synchronous assignment. That's going to be easy because it's with me and I can know if you're doing it or not with me. And then 3 asynchronous assignments. This is just for this week, guys. I know it's a little bit confusing right now, but it will make more sense when we kind of dive deeper next week. Our goal this week is to build relationships with each other, get to know each other, and then asynchronously just kind of get an intro to what 8th grade English will look like and give some information to me as your teacher about where you are as a reader and writer, okay? So hopefully that clears it up. If you are still confused after watching this video, please make sure that you're sending me an email and I'll be happy to get you what you need. And I'm really excited to see what kind of work you guys accomplish this week. Thanks.